Hey everybody, my garbage disposal went out, so I just purchased this InSinkErator Badger 5XL garbage disposal, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to install. Now for reference, I got the one that's non-corded because that matches my sink right here. All right, so the main reason I purchased the Badger 5XL from InSinkErator is because that's what I already used, so I know it well and I know it works well. But you know, mechanics and machines, they just die after time, and so it's time to replace it. And so this is going to be super easy. Now, what I love about the InSinkErator Badger 5XL is it comes with all of the parts and pieces that you need. But if you already have a flange in place, you've already got the piping set up, then it's very quick to switch out and a very quick plug and play. Let me show you. Honestly, replacing the old machine with the new one was very easy. It took me only like 10 to 15 minutes. I simply just pulled it off and I unscrewed all of the electrical power parts, and then I put it into the new one and then shoved it back into place. So honestly, due to the ease of this and the power of this machine, if you're looking for a garbage disposal of your own, I definitely recommend this InSinkErator Badger 5XL.